my name is Juliana. I am the manager for Liana Cafe House. We make very special dumpling and authentic Chinese Hong Kong style food. Cafe House means it's like a small restaurant, simple, easy takeout. Good morning. We have a dumpling day today. Yeah, this is Wu Tao. Oh, I love cooking. Of course, I love cooking. I cook since start at 4 years old. So our mission is 5 minutes, a dish on the table, and make your life much easier. We have the shrimp dumpling, we have pork dumpling, we have vegetarian dumplings. This is before we cook the dumpling, and this is the dumpling already cooked. Dumplings depend on the north and south dialect. But for traditional, most popular dumpling is pork, chives, vegetable in it. This is like a real authentic dumplings. You know, actually, I grew up in Canton, China. When I was 4 years old, my neighbor told me, I carried a chair to the pot and learned how to cook the food. You know, because my parents, they go to work. Then I try to help. And when I don't know how to cook, I just ask my neighbor how to cook this and that. You know, I learn one by one. Before we don't have money, and there was a one piece of the gold. You know how it looks like those gold. So the dumpling is like that. It's treasure. When special like a holiday, they eat dumplings. Like a New Year means lucky and yeah, bring you luck and make more money also. Yeah. Dumpling is fun. When we have dumpling party at home, we always make flour together. We make the dough and then we throw the dumpling together and we talking and then we making and then we eat together. So it's always fun. When the water dry, just open the cover. You don't have to stir them. When they're ready, you just shake them, they just move. See? Wow! Yummy, yummy, yummy. It's really good. Okay, would you like to try one now? When you bite them, you have to be careful, it's really juicy. So if you like more crispy, then you can sit there longer until they're brown. And if you like, it's just like a steam style, the water is just gone, then you pick it up. It's good to go with the chili sauce and vinegar and soy sauce. Yeah, go together and tastes better. You can create it yourself too. And I do have a customer, he asked me to do a cheese, bacon and beef dumpling for him. I said, okay. I don't know how good they are, but you know, usually pork is the most good flavor. Yeah. He's my uncle and he's making pork with chives vegetable. When we do the Chinese culture in Chinatown, the people is light up around the building. People love our dumplings. They said the smallest shop, but the best dumpling in Chinatown.